Dakhineswar is the home to the famous Kali temple. It is around 12 kilometers from the city of Kolkata. Belur is the headquarters of Ramakrishna Mutt and Mission, founded by Swami Vivekananda. The shrines attract huge number of pilgrims around the year. The Dakhineswar Kali temple and Belur are situated diagonally across on opposite banks of the holy river Ganges. Dakhineswar on the eastern bank and Belur on the western bank, approximately 3 kilometers downstream of the river. Pilgrims, city dwellers, as well as tourists find it difficult to visit Dakhineswar temple as well as the Belur in one go. The constraint lies in the tedious road journey or water ferries which lack frequency. Both these means of commuting, land or water, are therefore neither convenient nor adequate to cope with the demand current as well as that expected in the future. To address this problem of connectivity, the holy shrines of Dakhineswar Kali temple and Belur are proposed to be linked by means of a ropeway system. The planned ropeway system will have a total length of approximately 3,335 meters in two sections. Section 1, a ropeway system from Dakhineswar to Bali across the river, approximately 765 meters length. The Section 2, a ropeway system from Bali to Belur along the river bank of approximately 2,570 meters length. A ropeway running across the river from Dakhineswar to Bali would be parallel and adjacent to the existing road bridge, the Nivedita Setu. There will be no towers in between. The ropeway system will be twin-track bi-cable ropeway system with detachable haul rope grip, having 765 meter single span. Its capacity will be 2,500 passengers per hour. Speed of the ropeway shall be 5 meters per second. The travel time between the terminals will be approximately 3 minutes. The ropeway will be supported on twin tracks in view of the long span of approximately 800 meters between the terminals. The long span will generate a compulsion for the support height on the two river banks for the sake of navigable clearance from the underside of the ropeway cabins under worst condition of sag. The second ropeway section will start from Bali and run right up to Belur. The ropeway will be supported by portals along the route. The ropeway will be a detachable grip monocable system. The distance between the terminals will be approximately 2,570 meters and will have a capacity of 2,500 passengers per hour. The speed of the ropeway will be 4 meters per second. The travel time between the stations will be approximately 11 minutes. Ropeway in this section shall follow the contour of the river bank. As the route alignment has bends, a non-linear ropeway system at the bends will be provided. Since the river bank is serpentine, having houses and premises located on the bank, the ropeway tower foundations will need to be located at the most 5 to 7 meters from the bank on the river to maintain identical clearance from the river bank. The ropeway system will be designed as per the IS codes and standards. There will be terminal stations at Dakhineswar and Belur and an intermediate station at Bali. The Dakhineswar terminal station will be situated ideally on the bank beside the Nivedita Setu, with easy access to passengers from Dakhineswar railway station, the upcoming metro station, bus stand and the temple. The terminal will have provision for parking of around 600 vehicles. There will be shopping areas, a restaurant and a viewing gallery on the riverside. Walkways and travelators will be provided from the bus stand and the temple reaching the terminal. People would come out of the mandir from the riverbank exit and take the walkway along the riverbank and reach the terminal. Elevators will be provided to reach the ropeway station on the top floor of the terminal. After boarding, The cabin leaves for Bali terminal across the river. The Bali terminal will have two ropeway systems at two levels. Passengers traveling from the Dakhineswar terminal will deboard at the upper level and come to the lower level by elevators. At this level, they board the second ropeway for Belur terminal. The Belur terminal is situated ideally adjacent to the Belur Mud ferry ghat. The Belur terminal is conveniently located to Belur Mud and the GT road, close to bus stand and the parking lot.